Hi, it's another great day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. At our little community garden up here. We are in zone 10B. We have this perfect multi-hybrid cultivar desert tree right here called a Cercidium, or a Desert Museum Palo Verde. Gives us all the best of all worlds from our Palo Verdes. This beautiful green bark, no thorns, pretty flowers, and great little leaves and leaflets. Got one over here too, a little bit bigger. Described as a gorgeous, thornless, upright, deciduous shade tree for your desert xeriscape garden. He's a fabaceae, like a pea pod tree. He's a fast grower. Grows best in zones 8 and 9. Also good in zone 10. Gets about 25 feet tall and 25 feet wide. Loves full sun. Very little watering. And too much water might actually end up killing this guy. So he's a cross between our Mexican Palo Verde or Jerusalem Thorn, that's Parkinsonia aculeata, and then a yellow Palo Verde, that's Parkinsonia microphylla, and a blue Palo Verde, that's Parkinsonia Florida. Be great. I'll take a look at this little guy here. He's about, I don't know, I think he's 2 years old, maybe 3. And we'll start with this beautiful trunk and the branches. So multi-branches out here at the bottom. And he's very smooth, he's green, he's thornless. So when the leaves fall off, he has photosynthesis, chlorophyll out of the branches and the barks right here. In our other Palo Verdes, the thorns usually appear right at the base of the little leaf axils, but this guy has no thorns. So that's really cool. And his leaves right here, they're about 6 inches, maybe, I don't know, 4 inches long. You get multi-leaf pinnate structure, and those little guys branch out, and you get little oval-shaped leaflets right at the end right there. They're green or yellow-green. They'll fall off in times of drought or high heat. And then we have, of course, our flowers. You have beautiful little flowers right there. We got lots of clusters over here. We got yellow petals. They always have that little spotted orange last petal right there, or lobe right there. All right, some of the other varieties, like the Parkinsonia microphylla, that little lobe that there is actually white, not yellow. Let's get this little hybrid here. You know, a little stamen anther pollen sticking out of this pretty little flower. So he flowers in spring all through early summer. And then if we get a lot of rainfall, we might actually get a second bloom as far as like September. These guys right here, you know, form little seed pods, little legume pods. I don't have any growing in right now. They're about 2 to 3 inches long, and they got little constrictions or pinch points between the seeds. They're propagated. You might be able to do it by seeds, but I don't know. It's a hybrid, so it's always really hard to propagate these guys. You might try to use cuttings, but there's no guarantee that the cuttings will look like the parent. Of course, isn't that pretty neat? And the bees, this guy right there, the bees just love our Palo Verdes out in the desert in California. There we go. It's our beautiful Cercidium Desert Museum Palo Verde multi-hybrid we have out here in Coto de Caza. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.